Are you eating healthier, exercising, and still asking, why am I not losing weight? Hidden mistakes may be stopping your progress right now. You may be working hard and doing everything you think is right, but one or two hidden mistakes could be stopping your weight loss. And here's the frustrating part. Sometimes the problem isn't that you're eating too much at all. It may be something completely different entirely. It could be your portions, liquid calories, lack of protein, poor sleep, stress, or even a weight loss plateau you haven't noticed yet. The first reason you may not be losing weight is surprisingly simple. You may be eating more calories than you realize. Healthy foods can still contain calories. Nuts, peanut butter, cheese, cooking oils, sauces, and dressings can quietly add hundreds of extra calories. This doesn't mean you need to obsessively count every calorie. Instead, pay attention to portion sizes and those easy-to-miss hidden calories. If your goal is fat loss, your overall calorie intake still matters. And that brings us to the second reason, which can completely change your progress. The second reason may be that you're not getting enough protein. Protein is one of the most important nutrients for healthy weight loss. If your meals are mostly carbohydrates and snacks, you may feel hungry again quickly, making it harder to maintain a calorie deficit. Protein can help you feel fuller for longer and may also help preserve muscle while you're losing weight, especially during a calorie deficit. Try building your meals around eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, lean meat, cottage cheese, or other protein-rich foods for better satiety. A simple rule is to make protein the center of your meal, not an afterthought. But even good nutrition has another hidden problem. You may be eating healthy meals but drinking hundreds of calories without realizing it. Liquid calories are one of the easiest weight loss traps. Think sugary coffee drinks, soda, energy drinks, fruit juice, sweetened tea, and alcohol. These can add significant calories while leaving you hungry afterward. For many people trying to lose weight, replacing high-calorie drinks with water or unsweetened beverages can be a simple improvement. But if you've already fixed your diet and still aren't losing weight, don't give up yet. You may be experiencing a weight loss plateau. A weight loss plateau happens when your weight stops decreasing, even though you feel like you're doing the same things consistently every day. As your body weight decreases, your energy needs can change. And sometimes the scale doesn't tell the whole story because water weight fluctuates. Instead of checking your weight once and assuming nothing is working, look at the trend over several weeks and track your waist measurement too. Even small snacks can add up. A handful of nuts, a bite while cooking, or a protein bar can quietly increase calories. None of these foods automatically cause weight gain, but frequent unplanned eating can make maintaining the calorie deficit needed for weight loss difficult. Try creating a simple meal structure. Eat satisfying meals, prioritize protein and fiber, and reduce mindless snacking between meals whenever possible. Even if you exercise regularly, you may still spend most of your day sitting. Your everyday movement matters more than many people realize. Walking, taking the stairs, standing more, and moving throughout the day can increase your daily activity and support your overall weight loss efforts. Strength training can also help preserve muscle during weight loss. You don't need extreme workouts. Consistency and gradual progress matter most. Understanding the fundamental structures is key. This model here demonstrates the intricate connections, and if you look closely, you'll see the distinct muscle fibers. When you're consistently sleep deprived, you may feel hungrier, crave highly rewarding foods, and struggle more with portion control throughout the day. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule and a comfortable 7 to 9 hours when possible. Better sleep can make weight loss habits easier. Another overlooked factor is chronic stress. When you're constantly stressed, sticking to healthy habits and managing hunger can become much harder. Stress can also affect your sleep, appetite, food choices, and daily routine, creating a cycle that makes sustainable weight loss more difficult. Simple habits can help. Take regular walks, practice slow breathing, protect your sleep, and create small breaks from stressful routines whenever possible. Another mistake is expecting fast results. Healthy weight loss usually takes time. And instead of chasing dramatic weekly changes, focus on consistent habits, your long-term weight trend, waist measurements, energy levels, and overall progress. Finally, your diet may simply be too restrictive. Extreme rules can be difficult to maintain, leading to cravings, overeating, and eventually giving up. Instead of chasing a perfect diet, build a sustainable weight loss plan with balanced meals, realistic portions, regular activity, and habits you can maintain. Most importantly, don't assume you're failing. Find the factor holding you back, make one sustainable change, and give your body time to respond. So if you're not losing weight, check your portions, protein, drinks, snacks, movement, sleep, stress, expectations, and whether your plan is sustainable. Most importantly, don't assume you're failing. Find the factor holding you back, make one sustainable change, and give your body time to respond. If this helped you understand why you're not losing weight, subscribe to Health Journey and watch our next video for practical weight loss strategies. Start with one change today, stay consistent, track your progress, and remember, sustainable weight loss is built through habits, not perfection. And remember, if your weight isn't changing, don't immediately cut more food. First, identify which habit may actually be holding you back. Look honestly at your routine. Are drinks, snacks, poor sleep, stress, inactivity, or unrealistic expectations quietly working against your weight loss goals? Once you identify your biggest barrier, change one thing at a time. Consistency beats perfection, and small improvements can create meaningful long-term results. Weight loss doesn't require perfection. It requires a realistic plan, consistent habits, patience, and adjustments when something isn't working for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Health Journey, share this video, and keep watching for simple, evidence-based strategies to improve your health.